everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I'm unbagging my June 2018 Ipsy bag. Now they did have three colorways this month. They had the yellow, they had I think a red, and then a blue. Honestly, my favorite color is blue, so I would have preferred the blue bag, but this is actually really pretty. It reminds me of summer, very sunny. It is just a almost like a pleathery material, and then it does have on the zipper a little heart that says Ipsy. So it is a cute little bag. I will start though with the item that was on the outside of the bag, inside the mailer. I did get a brush, which I always do enjoy. This is from Mint Pear Beauty. And it says that it is the M64 Rounded Soft Blend. So I'm going to show you this. I'm not sure what I would use this for, though. This is what it looks like. It is sort of like pinched on the side, and then it does lay flat. So I think that's too big for like my eye, right? I'd almost say this is about the size of like a highlighter brush for me. Yeah, like a highlighter brush. I don't know. It's a little scratchy though, to be honest with you. Putting it on my palm, it is a little scratchy. So I will give this a try. Like I said, I think for me, maybe like an under eye powder, something like that. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I will give this a try though. All right, now it's time to get into the bag. Go ahead and open it up, and I'm just going to stick my hand in there and pull stuff out. First thing I'm going to pull out is the card. So it says on the front, Flying Colors. I guess that is the theme for this month, and I mean, that makes sense for it being Pride Month in June. And this is a very thick card. I thought it opened, but it does not open. So, yeah. All right, so it is about Pride Month. So this says on the back of the card here, at Ipsy, Pride Month is about so much more than sexuality. It's about unique beauty, self-expression, and inspiring everyone to be completely themselves without fear of judgment. That's why we're highlighting 7 LGBTQ plus creators who know that what makes them different is also what makes them beautiful. But that's just the beginning. There's still so much more to do to educate the world on love, acceptance, and tolerance. Together, we're making strides every day. Whether you're marching in a pride parade, out and proud, supporting your friends and loved ones, or just starting to learn about the LGBTQ plus movement, we hope that your Flying Colors glam bag and all the stories on Ipsy.com will inform, empower, and motivate you to be your best, most loving, vibrant self this June. So, and it does say, P.S., it says I've got the MAC Prep and Prime Skin. So we'll see. So on the front, it looks like the first one is Allison McNamara, then Wesley Benjamin Carter. It's Ari Fitz. I don't know. Vikramram. And then Cassandra Bankson, Gabriel Zamora, and Valerie Vision. So there you go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just pull something out. Let's pull this first thing out here. So this is from Nomad. It is an illuminating highlighting powder. There it is. And I've never heard of this brand before, but it's Nomad Stockholm. I know it's an illuminating highlighting powder because it says it on the back of the box. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. It is just a wee little, that's how big it is right there. Okay. And there it is. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. Wow, that is really soft. And it's kind of like a peachy golden color. It doesn't sit too well on my skin. I mean, it's not bad. It's almost my skin color. It pretty much just gives me a little bit of shine. Yeah. So I'm not sure that will work too well for me. You know what? Let's go ahead. I'm going to actually use this brush and see if I can put this on. And I do already have a highlighter on, but we'll see if this adds to it at all. All right, so It really didn't add much more to what was already there. But I will try this again. I would definitely try that again when I'm not wearing highlighter to see how it looks. So, all right. Moving on to the next item in here. Let's see, what is this? This is from Feel Pure Anywhere Balm. How much does it say it's in here? It says it's 0.17 fluid ounces. All right, well, there it is. Okay, and this just says you can use it as a lip balm or anywhere skin needs added nourishment, or as a tint for cheek or eyes. All right, I gotta open it now because I don't know how. I'm curious what color this is. All right. It looks to be clear. Yeah, it's definitely clear. So I'm not quite sure how that is a tint for lips or eyes, and it's very minty. Very minty. I don't know that I'd want to put that on my eyes. Okay. Well, so far, over halfway in, I'm not super excited about this bag. Let's go ahead and pull the next item out. Let's go ahead and pull this because that's what it said was in here. It is the MAC Prep and Prime. There you go. There it is. Okay. And it is a white primer. I know it's white because it's already squeezed out in the lid. It feels alright. I've used this before though, so. But it is quite squeezed out in the lid. Alright, let's go ahead and get the last thing in this box. This is from Pure Brazilian. It is a leave-in conditioner with keratin for gorgeous, silky smooth hair, color safe, and UV protection. Here it is. Alright, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of this out because other than the brush, this is the biggest product I got this month. Oh! It comes out as a spray. I expected it to be like a gel. Well, it smells good at least. It smells good at least. Alright, I'm sure you guys can probably tell I'm not super pleased with this box, this bag. I haven't been like crazy happy with my Ipsy bag for months now. I mean, it's been hanging in there pretty good, but it hasn't been fantastic. And I think I said this either last month or 2 months ago that ever since like Michelle Phan left, it seems to have been like just going downhill for me. And I could totally be it could just totally be a coincidence. I don't know. But I used to get really good products in this bag, this box. I keep wanting to say box, bag, whatever. And it used to be more makeup than skincare or hair care. But I got 5 products, and I got hair care. I got a leave-in conditioner. I got a lip balm, a primer, which I guess you could call this makeup. I wouldn't call primer makeup. I'd call it skincare. And then this wee little teeny tiny highlighter, which is 0.05 ounces. And then the brush. About the only thing I can say that I like in this box this month is the brush. So I'm a little disappointed this month. Maybe I'm just being saucy. I kind of had a crappy day today, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section down below. You know, I watch like Madison Miller, and I know she gets like all the products because she is like an Ipsy ambassador kind of thing. So she gets like all the products. But that's why I watch her videos. And, you know, I watch her videos and I'm like, oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. And then I get none of the really nice stuff. or none of the stuff that I would like. I shouldn't say really nice, because this stuff's nice. The leave-in conditioner's nice. The lip balm's nice. I mean, I got a MAC product. It's nice stuff. It's just not something that I necessarily enjoy getting in my bags. So, yeah. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you like this? Am I being too hard on this bag this month? Maybe I'm just being ornery or being crabby. I don't know. It definitely could be I've had a interesting day, to say the least. So I might just be in a crabby mood. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to hear it. Did you get your Ipsy bag, and did you get different things? I'd love to hear that as well. I actually didn't watch Madison Miller's video this month. I don't know if she posted it yet. I don't know. I don't know. Like last month, I think one of the products that I got, she didn't even have on her video. And like her video specifically said, it's all of the variations for this month. And like one of the products I got wasn't even in her video. That was supposedly all of the variations. So I don't know how that happened. But somehow I got something that apparently wasn't supposed to be in the variations last month. So anyhow, I'm sorry if I'm being sour, but it is what it is. Anyhow, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I would love to hear your thoughts on this Ipsy bag or what you got in your Ipsy bag. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.